Hi guys, welcome to my blog. So today I'm thinking about buying an iPhone 12 because I really want to get an iPhone 12 because number 12 is my favorite number. So I'm gonna go to work later and then I'm gonna do it on my break time. So I hope I can get it because it's right now it's not available in any store, some of the stores. So I'm gonna try to get some of it. Okay, see you later. Hi guys, look what I got. So today I went on my break to go to Stanford shopping mall to get my iPhone 12. I'm so excited because iPhone 12 is gonna be my favorite because it's number 12. As you guys know, number 12 is my favorite number. So let's do the unboxing. Look at that, so nice. And also I got the case, the transparent one. Okay, I'm gonna remove my mask because I'm the only one here anyway. So let's start the unboxing moment. Let's see. Oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful. So I got the Pacific blue because blue is my favorite color. So look at what's inside. It's only the cord of the charger and some information about the iPhone 12, which is I know about that already. So here's the front. Woo! Oh my god, it looks nice. It's kind of a little bit heavy, but it's nice. So I'm gonna turn it on now. Okay, it's turning on. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use it. So I got the iPhone 11 like 4 months ago, and I dropped it off, and the screen was cracked. So I decided to get a new one, iPhone 12. I'm not allowed to upgrade yet because it's only 4 months left. So I bought this fully priced. It's $1,479, including this case. Si, bonjour, hola. Let me swipe it. Let me go over English. United States. Quick start. Alright, let's start manually. Let's log into my DeVita. Let me just log into the Wi-Fi. Alright. Okay, trust. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to open the case so I can put the case already because I'm such a clumsy person. See, I got my iPhone 11 and I already dropped it. Like, it's cracked. And yeah, so I got an insurance, and so make sure whenever I drop my phone again or if it's lost or anything, so it's gonna be covered. So because iPhone 12 is my favorite, number 12. It's activating. Okay, they're asking me my zip code. Shit. Hold on. Okay, well, I'm setting up my phone now. I need my billing code and everything. So I'm so excited to use this. Thank you guys for helping me unboxing. So here we go. Let me put the case. Nice. So cute. And I like the color. Alright, that's a wrap, guys. Thank you guys for watching me unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Pacific Blue. Until next time, please don't forget to like, share, comment, or show it to your friend or whatever you need to do to make me feel good on my blog. And please be nice, don't be a basher. We all need to be nice to each other. I hope to see you guys next time. And don't forget, my name is Mel, or you can call me Miley, because I'm the one and only Miley in your life. Until next time again, signing out, Mel Sexalicious.